one section. That forms a knot. No way. Undoing a backlash. Are you serious? Are you serious, dude? Are you serious? Worst timing to catch a fish, but still a nice fish. Oh my god, this is actually a really nice fish. Are you serious? No way. That just happened. Ooh, he's jumping like crazy. Stop. Calm down. Come on, stop. Oh, the line's right there on the camera. Ooh. And he's a spaz. I'll get back there. I got the line unraveled from the camera. I was undoing a backlash when he hit on a Stinky Fingers river bug colored fluke. My god. It's a hog. That truly is. But a nice fish right there. I'll give him about 2 pounds, 3 pounds. So, stay tuned. Carp here, everywhere, dude. Nice one. On that Stinky Fingers. That Stinky Fingers fluke. Gotta be careful. Stop. Okay. Another pretty good looking bass right there, huh? Right against the edge on a Stinky Fingers river bug fluke. It's got like emerald green, it's got junebug color and blue flakes on it. And this bass right here. So I'll get him back in the water. That was a hit. Got him. Whoa! Little guy. Fighting hard, huh? Man. Dude, you put up a good fight. I thought you were like a 10-pounder or something. Ugh. Come here. Stop. Spaz. Ooh. Another little guy out here. On that same Stinky Fingers fluke pattern, wherever it is, there it is. The river bug. It's a new color. So, I'll get him back in the water in a second. There is. Nice fish. That's a nice fish. That is a nice fish. Fourth fish of the day, right there. Wow. Wow. That is a nice fish. That is truly a nice fish. That same fluke, I have not changed that fluke yet. It's just the river bug fluke by Stinky Fingers. So I'll get him back in the water in a second. Oh man. Looks like he's got a little parasite there, but still a great looking bass. Got him. Little one. Still a fish. Stinky Fingers Fluke. Got him there. Alright. Oh, come on, buddy. Let me get that hook out of here. There you go. Got a fish on. There he is. Stinky Fingers Fluke. Oh, it's just a little guy. Just a little guy. Good hooks. These little galangatsus always get them. Come on, buddy. No. Come on. There he goes. And that thing's at least 10 feet. That gator. My God. That's a huge alligator. Right across the pond, too. The opening of the pocket. And he's right across. Oh. Yeah. That's a fish. Wow. Just got chased off the bank by a gator. And caught this nice one on a Stinky Fingers riverbug colored fluke. So I'll get back to you in a second. Two fish in a row. I just lost one, and now I just got a really nice one here on the Stinky Fingers fluke. Ooh. Ooh, nice fish. Very nice fish. Stinky Fingers, riverbug flukes. You gotta try them. You gotta buy them. They are amazing. And a good hook set on him too. I'll get him back in the water.